Transforming a business starts with a clear vision of success. Understanding the market that we're operating in and being honest about our position in that market and where we want to be. Understanding what our business should be. And you know, that's a very difficult thing to do because honesty is a pretty rare commodity in many businesses. People are afraid to speak honest to power. What I say is let's be honest, let's be open. Let's make sure we understand where we're all going together. Let's build trust within the business. I've led businesses through very difficult times. I led Porsche when we were last in the market. We were number 32 out of 32 brands. We were that close to bankruptcy. And in 4 years, we took that business to number one in the market and the most profitable car business in the market. We did it by being honest with ourselves. Today, I'm involved in a number of companies where we're growing some at over 100% per annum. It is about understanding where we're going. It is about making sure we've got a clear plan in place. But I've worked in many sectors. Currently, we're building a fiber broadband business. It's a network business. We build networks. It's been an incredible success because what we did was look at the market in a different way. And we took what was a small company and created a national brand with it. And today that business is growing at over 300% per annum. It's about engaging the whole team, letting the team understand where we can go, and then moving quickly to deliver on that.